Hi everyone and welcome to Perima's kitchen. I am Selena and today I'm making one of the kids' favorites. It's chicken a la king pasta. You've been asking me for easy dinner ideas that are quick and this is one of them. Absolutely delicious, and if there's any leftovers, it's great even the next day. Let's go. First, I'm adding one large diced onion to my oil. I do add a little extra oil because I'm using very lean chicken mince and I don't want it to be too dry. Let your onion simmer for a few seconds until slightly translucent, and then you can add some chilies and fresh thyme. These two spices are going to give you all of that flavor that we want. Add 2 teaspoons of crushed ginger and garlic. Simmer again for a few seconds and then you can add your chicken mince. I'm adding 500 grams of chicken mince. After a few minutes, break it down so they're all quite separate and not clumped together. You can then start adding some turmeric. I'm only adding a half a teaspoon of turmeric just to give it a little bit of color, followed by some salt to taste. And don't forget to start boiling your pasta and ensure you salt your pasta water as well. Once you've added your salt to taste, we're going to let our chicken mince continue cooking. Close the lid. You can check on your pasta and you can start making your bechamel sauce. And to make your sauce, it's very simple. You just need to add equal parts of butter and flour. Today I added 2 heaped tablespoons of butter followed by 2 heaped tablespoons of flour. Mix and let it cook for a bit. Then you can start adding a little milk at a time. You can add almost 1.5 to 2 cups of milk or even some cream to thicken it up. I'm now ready to add my mushrooms, followed by green peppers. And I usually give my veggies about 5 minutes to cook on a medium heat. I don't like it overdone, but you can decide according to what you prefer. Once my veggies are almost ready, you can then decide whether there is enough moisture and your mushrooms have released some water. If you feel like it's too dry, you can even add some pasta water if you wanted to. My pasta is ready, so I'm going to add a little bit of pasta water before I drain it. And then you can decide maybe 1 or 2 spoonfuls of pasta water. Mix through and then you can proceed to drain your pasta. Next, I'm going to add a heaped teaspoon of butter to my chicken mince, and you'll immediately notice how glossy the mince and mushrooms and peppers start to look. Give it a few minutes, close the lid, let that butter be absorbed into all of the mince and the veggies, and then you can start adding your pasta. Give it a few seconds to air dry, and once you start adding your pasta, remember we want to keep it al dente, so you can switch off your stove with your mince on it and then add your pasta. Once you've added your pasta, you can then proceed to add your bechamel sauce. And you can make it as saucy as you like. Once you've added your bechamel sauce, we're going to toss everything all together. Remember to keep your stove off. You don't want to overcook your pasta. Toss all together and you are ready to serve. Yavi and Shavaya were so impatient today. I think with all that fragrance in the air, they were so hungry they couldn't wait. And as always, my taste tester was ready to give it a go. It was so hot, but he could not wait. He was very happy. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you have not subscribed, kindly consider subscribing. Please hit that notification bell so you are notified when a new video is uploaded. Please like and share, and your comments are always welcome. Remember, all the ingredients used is in the drop-down description below. Thank you and have a beautiful day. Lots of love, Selena.